Okay, fire escape inspection summary video continuing on the front of platform fire escape number 1 at O'Fowle Street. You can see, so here's where, again, I have some concerns about the fascia along the beam, the structural beam, and I can probably show it a little bit easier below, but it's going to need some further investigation. This project's probably going to need an engineering oversight report because it's got a number of concerns. You can see right here, it's all separated. And the other concern I have is you have this small drop down stairs which goes to that ladder, and we need a catwalk that's going to run along here. And the other issue is you have a, as you come down, I'll show you if you go down here carefully, that this obstructs. There's no way to get past here without this being an obstruction. And it looks like the ladder is going to need a little bit of service. I don't see where it's been serviced in the last year. Cable looks pretty good. So, got a few concerns on the system. And I'm just going to come back here. There's some missing bolts down here. But you can see how this is just all pulling away here. All of this. And this probably isn't structural. And I don't know if that's rust or just old caulking, but it's definitely putting stress on. See, this is the actual structural member here, and it's putting stress on that member. So I would think we might want to just pull this off and give it a good inspection. But I'll give you an overall view of what's happening. So you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 platforms. So that's going to conclude my inspection. I believe I covered everything. If you have any questions, Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333.